Hi friends, welcome to my new video. How to see your Instagram password. Okay, let's start. Follow my step. First click Instagram app. Tap Instagram icon. Tap Gmail icon. Tap account center. Tap password and security. There are no option here. Let's look at this another way. Let's go. Click for setting option. Scroll down. Click for Google. Click for Gmail. Click security. Scroll down. Click for password manager.